Hello, so today I'm going to introduce CarPlay USB Dongle Plus on the Q5 2020 manufacturing year. So what this CarPlay USB Dongle Plus does, it converts the wired CarPlay to a wireless connection and AirPlay, YouTube, and MirrorLink smartphone. So iPhone and Android can MirrorLink, but wireless CarPlay is only for iPhones. So let me take out this product. Once you open our product, you see in our product cover surrounded by foam. Simply take that out, and then underneath you see a little compartment. You see a USB cable, user manual for you as well. So let me plug in our USB Dongle Plus, and then I'll show you how it's used. So on this Q5 is using a USB-A for CarPlay wired. So we'll plug in the Type-C male into the product, and then the USB-A into the vehicle. Type-C is supported as well. Once you have plugged in the USB Dongle Plus, wait 10 to 15 seconds and the USB Dongle Plus menu will appear. Okay, so we've connected wireless CarPlay before, so automatically connected to CarPlay. This is the familiar menu that you're used to in any language that you've chosen, and any applications that you used during wired CarPlay will show on this wireless CarPlay menu as well. Completely the same. The only difference is it solved the wired connection problem where it has a lot of cables in your car, and now it's completely wireless. So there's nothing else to really show here. It's exactly the same as what you're used to. To go into a USB Dongle Plus menu, click into MediaCast, and then click I know, and this is a USB Dongle Plus main menu. So wireless CarPlay was this function here. Just click into it, and then they'll show you how to connect wireless CarPlay. And then another function is PhoneCast. So I'll click into PhoneCast. So once you've clicked into PhoneCast, you'll see two kind of functions on the top. One is called TV screen and one is called phone screen. The TV screen is actually using the YouTube inbuilt AirPlay function, but today I'll just simply show you the phone screen function, which is to PhoneCast your entire phone screen onto the vehicle screen. And I'm using an iPhone today, so I'll click into Apple Cast. Android Cast is for Android. So for every function of this Dongle Plus, there will be instructions on the screen. And then I've already done the first step, which is connecting the hotspot. So now I'll go to step 2. I'll go into screen mirroring in the control center, and I'll click on the device's name, and I'll connect mirror linking within seconds. So like so, and now my iPhone is on the screen showing everything I do. So now I'll just simply play some videos. And then the volume control on the steering wheel works. And then I can even, after playing a video, I can lock the screen as well on my iPhone screen. That's the mirror linking function. You can pause the video on the screen, and you can even go back to the main menu of the USB dongle on the top, like so. So that's the PhoneCast function, and we have other functions where you can plug in a USB thumb drive into the USB dongle, which you have downloaded HD movies or high quality music on, and the media will show on the screen and you can play directly offline. And you'll see a Bluetooth icon, which is to play music from your phone and to connect your phone Bluetooth to accept calls as well. Other than that, it's very simple product. To go back into your main menu interface, click on Car, and you're back here. And to go back to the USB dongle, click on Apple CarPlay again, and you're back in. There's really not many other things to introduce. That's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.